May 23rd, 2019. Got a special Budgie unboxing today. I placed an order with the Etsy shop called Birbber, and they have some really nice bird-related products, so let's get started. So colorful and so cute. Alright, first up we have a Budgie keychain. So we've got a cobalt Budgie like Minion, a yellow face pastel Budgie, a normal green Budgie. Let me turn this over. And now we've got the sky blue Budgie, a white Budgie, I'm so glad because that could be Bullet, and then a yellow Budgie. And the yellow Budgie could also stand in for Nautica, my yellow Parrotlet. So that'll definitely be going on to the Jeep's keychain. Next up we got a pair of Budgie socks. Here they are, kind of freed up. So here's the Budgie sock all expanded. This goes on top of your foot. Sky blue Budgie is the only option at the moment. And then underneath it's got the back of the Budgie. This goes on the sole of your foot. And these are really cute. And I'm gonna have to order another pair because I don't want to wear these and get them all dirty. And being a gardener, we get a lot of real dirt all over the floor. And the other thing that I don't know what to do about is that I wear tennis shoes, so they're going to be covered. The only thing you'll see will be this blue part. I'll wear them around the house, probably with sandals, but you wouldn't be able to see the top of the Budgie. That would be covered like that. You'd only see the little feet. But anyways, yeah, that's the Budgie sock. It's really cool. I hope they make more colors. And these were on pre-order. I just got these guys. These are pillowcases. I'm opening these for the first time on camera. They're very velvety. They're very soft, they're velvety, but I don't know how well they'll work for me here in Florida. They're gonna be hot. So I think that these will be good for wintertime use. So you got the Budgie feet. Oh, I am a big stickler about parrot feet. This is the only thing I don't like, is that they're V-shaped. And Budgies have 4 toes, 2 forward, 2 back, so that means that their footprint would be a little X mark. So I wish this was an X and not a V, but that's the only thing really. It's got a zipper, so you open it up like that and put the pillow inside. See the type of texture that it is on the inside. The face is great. Alright, that's really cool. And it faces different directions on each side. Yes, Minion, it's a giant Budgie! Here's the pillow all zipped up. It's kind of nice that you don't see the zipper, but I did have a hard time putting it together. The zipper got caught over here in the open position. So though this pillow is really nice and soft, it's got a velvety texture. I definitely don't recommend using it in hot areas like here in Florida or other southern states in the spring or in the summer. This will be best if you're actually going to use it as a pillow to have it out during the winter time. Otherwise, it's a nice thing to have as a decoration on a couch or on a bed that isn't used. Okay, now we've got this one. Let's do a quick opening here. This is the yellow face pastel that was on the keychain. I love this color of Budgie, so pretty. It's the closest thing since they don't have light yellow recessive pieds on this store. Oh, beautiful color. You guys know that turquoise is my favorite color, so this is lovely. Yes, big Budgie. You like that, Minion? Okay, and that is not the only thing for the unboxing. One more thing. Now, those of you that follow my live journal know about this. This is the normal blue Budgie bath mat. Same problem with the V-shaped feet, but this, turn it over on the back. This thing is incredibly soft. I try not to step on this. I actually have this at the foot of my couch. And it's really, really nice. They make a green version too. Might get the green version to put in the master bedroom, even though that has a Jurassic Park theme in progress right now. So that is the Budgie haul. And you can see how I've placed the Budgie rug at the foot of the couch in my room. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Des signing off. Is there a giant Budgie in there? Giant Budgie.